Welcome to the beautiful life in Monaco. So this is one of the most beautiful building I love here in Monaco. So show you the downstairs. Look over there. Here it is. Wow, I really love it here. I really love this view. And this one. So, here we are. No, straight in Jiro. Coba tombela. Speak French. This is it. So this is it. A beautiful view over there. And lots of I love this. Look at this. You can only see here in Monaco the unique architecture of the buildings here. So you can see how luxury life of the people living here in Monaco. Oh, I love it. River. Wow, this is it. I really love this view. Wow, this is Tor